PNG happenings.
Boxing champion Anthony Joshua has survived a serious car crash in Nigeria. But tragically, 2 others did not. The accident happened this morning on the busy Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, a road known as one of Nigeria's deadliest. Joshua was a passenger in a Lexus SUV that crashed into a parked truck. Official reports state the vehicle may have been speeding and lost control while overtaking. Of the 5 men in the vehicle, 2 lost their lives. Joshua was rescued alive, sustaining only minor injuries, and was taken for medical attention. The champion had been in Nigeria after his high-profile victory over Jake Paul just days earlier. Joshua's promoter, Eddie Hearn, said the team was trying to contact Anthony and that he appears okay from initial images. The boxer, who is proud of his Nigerian heritage and often visits family there, is now recovering from this shocking incident.
PNG happenings.